Morning fellas, another video on how I pack my luggage. So that's the motorcycle, and as you guys know that I've got myself the new SW Motec Trail tank bag. Well, that sits there, Enduro tank bag, that sits there comfortably. So now as far as the Via Terra luggage rack goes, it is a 20 on 10 product, 20 on 10, just like I had assumed. This is as light as it gets, and this can take the size of a 50-liter duffel bag like that. So what I have with me here is rock straps that run like this, and and that come out from right about here. The 50, this is by far the easiest mounting that I've done. I've never been able to mount luggage so comfortably. Sit, two straps like that, and cinch, two straps like that, and cinch, of course. There you go. I have two more bungee cords with me. One is another flat strap that goes from right about here to cross it and get it to the underside here, and just like how we did it before, from here to here, and that takes care of the bag. As simple and as comfortable as that. I've never really had any problems with this throughout the trip. 1,000 plus kilometers now, 1,000 kilometers. Sits there comfortably, and Ashi can sit here comfortably as well. This is my motorcycle cover, my bike's rain cover, and sun cover as well. So I take it along with me wherever I ride. I don't keep the bike parked like that, exposed to the elements. I always see to it that I take my cover along with me, and the cover sits on top like that. So simple and yet sturdy. Sits there like it was meant to sit there, without any problems. Quick, easy luggage mounting video. If this helps, it helps. I shall see you guys once I get going.